Hi, I'm Emilie Guillermin from the Kryolan Pro team. I will show you different ways to use Gel Lipliner. I like to start with the Cupido. This is a perfect product. It's pencil, but it's more like a gel, so it's really easy in application, really soft, you don't have to push on the skin. So it's also totally self-setting and it's really long-lasting. Go over and over. Then I'm gonna fill in with Lipstick Velvet Kiss in the same color. If you're using your lipstick immediately on your lips, you never have that shape. And even if you're using a brush, it's easier because you already designed the lips first and then you just have to fill it in. If you want to accentuate the lip line, you can use first Lipstick Velvet Kiss. I'm going to use Earthy Crush for accentuating it. So I first gonna really do the Cupido. Go over and over. And I do the same under. There I start in the corner. And by doing this also, you making the lips more voluptuous. Now you have really like a filler lip. So I'm gonna create an ombre lip. I use first the Lipstick Velvet Kiss and then the lip line I will do with a Gel Lipliner Poppy Punch. And I blend it out immediately. That's really important because it's totally self-setting. Go in the corner and then blending it. Sometimes with ombre lips, if your lips coming over each other, you're losing your ombre. Because this is self-setting, even when your lips coming over each other, this effect is gonna stay. I'm gonna create a totally full lip, and I use the lip liner to do that because it's really long-lasting, it's totally self-setting, it doesn't really give that dry feeling. It's perfect, for example, if you want a long-lasting lip also with gloss. The color doesn't gonna move underneath. It's also easy when you do it with a liner like this, is that you can easily go in the corners, filling up everything. Good.
We hope you enjoy, like, share
And subscribe.